Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have some amazing and unique round mirror decor ideas that will add a touch of elegance and style to any space. So let's get started. Our first idea is the sunburst effect. Take a round mirror and surround it with small, thin wooden dowels or metal rods in a sunburst pattern. This creates a stunning focal point on any wall and adds a touch of glamour. Next up, we have the floating mirror concept. Mount a round mirror on a thin, clear acrylic or metal wire to create the illusion that it's floating on the wall. This creates a mesmerizing visual effect and works perfectly in minimalist and contemporary interiors. Another fabulous idea is creating a mirror gallery wall. Arrange on mirrors of different size and design in a cluster or a grid formation. This creates a unique and eye-catching display, amplifying the light and adding depth to your space. For those who love craft, why not create a mirror mosaic art piece? So, cut small round mirrors into different shapes and arrange them creatively on a wooden or canvas backdrop. This type project adds a personalized touch to your decor and can be great conversion starter. So, for a truly unique and artistic approach to round mirror decor, consider a mirror wall is sculptural. Arrange multiple round mirror of varying size and design in a captivating pattern on your wall. This creates a visually stunning and focal point that add dimension and reflect light throughout the space. The mirror wall sculpture is perfect for those who want to make a bold statement and infuse their room with artistic flair. With these six remarkable round mirror decor ideas, you have plenty of options to choose from when it comes to enhancing the beauty of your space. Whether you prefer the elegance of the sunburst effect, the modernity of floating mirrors, the versatility of a mirror gallery wall, the creativity of mirror mosaic art, the sophistication of a mirror tray display, or the artistic impact of a mirror wall sculpture. There's something for everyone taste and style. Let us know in the comment which idea you are excited to try out. And there you have it, unique and beautiful round mirror decor ideas to transform your space. Whether you prefer a modern or traditional style, these ideas are sure to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring decor ideas. Lastly, we have the mirror tray display. Find a mirror with an elegant frame and place it on a sideboard or coffee table. So thank you for watching.